Hi and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the new text-to-speech functionality from OpenAI together with the Node.js. Let's start by creating a new Node project by using the npm init command. Uh, and that command will guide you through the series of prompts where you need to set up the project, including the package name, version, description, entry point, and different dependencies. After the command has been executed, you will get the package JSON file. We're going to use the OpenAI dependencies, so it's important that you create and use that so that you can get the functionality that is needed for running the OpenAI's API. Once everything is set up and you have your package, the JSON file created, create an index.js file and also .environment file in your folder. In .environment file, you will be storing your API key that you can get from platform.open.com. Under your account API keys, you will find and be able to generate the new key. And once that one is generated, copy it and pass it in here as your local environment variable. So after that, open your index.js file and let's start coding. So before we start coding, you need to also install the OpenAI SDK, and that you can do by running npm I OpenAI inside your terminal. Uh, that will generate the dependencies that are needed for utilizing OpenAI's API. Now, let's start by implementing the dependencies that are needed. Start by importing the OpenAI from OpenAI, FS from FS, and path from path. Those three dependencies are needed, and we are going to utilize them and use them inside the application. When you have implemented those three dependencies, the next thing is that we need to initialize what um, OpenAI embeddings we are going to use. And also the next thing is that we need also to generate the file and specify where the file is going to be located and stored. I'm using date.now functionality from JavaScript. This is just so that it will give me the random name of the file that is going to be stored and generated. And after that, we need to wrap up everything in the async function, a main async function, so that we can start executing the rest of the code. The next thing is that we need to define the OpenAI audio speech model by calling an await async function for creating the model. There is a couple of options that you need to include. The first one is defining the model. I'm using TTS-1-HD, which means that it's going to have a little bit better sound quality, but it's also a little bit more expensive than the one without HD at the end. The voice, I'm going to use the Nova, but there is a different um, properties that you can specify. And also I'm specifying input as an example that we are going to generate. And then we need to uh, create and save file to local storage. This is where we are using the implementation of or import of FC and also the path. So now we are ready to execute and see what is going to happen. So if I run node index.js, it will execute the main function, and as you can see, in just a couple of seconds the file will be generated. So let's hear how they sound.
This is an example of using OpenAI's audio speech model.
Pretty simple and easy way of utilizing the OpenAI's API for generating the speech based on the text that you have defined as an input. So if you're looking for the more content in the near future within Node, JavaScript, Next.js, feel free to hit subscribe button for this channel. Thank you very much for watching this demo, and I hope you find it interesting.